No, your nose is going to hurt because I'm going to inflict pain on you.
You know what's going to hurt on you later?
Nothing that you're going to get close to.
Mm-hmm. Let's go. Come on. Chores.
I chore this.
You're going to help.
Or what? Oh, fucking pussy. God, are you fucking 2 years old? You act like Zoe when she doesn't want to clean her room. Oh, just stop your bullshit. It's only a 1/8 inch by an 1/8 inch. Oh, you fucking puss. Are you still talking? Aaron, play video games for 20 minutes. And fold your goddamn fold your goddamn clothes. Fold your clothes.
This is good. I'm gonna get all of this. Hey.
Fold your clothes or I'm gonna burn.
Okay, fine. Ow. Why'd you hit me for?
Because obviously men need it. Fold your clothes.
Abuse? We don't need abuse.